Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Oluwatosin Manadebayo, and today, grade 5 and grade 2, the ISA project is Ocean Life, Fun Facts and Fantasy. During our
So, how are we all? Are you all having a nice day? Yeah, just tell me. This is 3B.
Grade 3, can you say hello to everyone?
Yeah, you can wave over there. Oh, that's a bit different. These guys got computers in front of them. Oh, there's Mrs. Edwards. Is that Mrs. Edwards? We've been so excited about Nigeria. We've only asked questions about Nigeria because we want to know so much. A very British question to always ask is, what's the weather like where you are?
What's the weather like? I know.
That's all we ever ask. So is it hot or cold today? Hot or cold?
It is rather hot here today.
When we researched Nigeria, it was 6 degrees here and 32 where you were. Quite a difference.
Wow.
Actually, we ask the kids some questions.
Okay.
Hello, Houston School. My name is Wilson and we're going to be talking about Scholars Crest, Lagos State, and Nigeria. My name is Kwaku Samidore. We are a diverse, multi-ethnic country with 520 spoken languages. But the major languages are Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba. Our official language is English. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name is Jibuno Kamsi. I'm in primary 6 and we're here today to talk about ocean life fun facts and fantasy. During our research, we found out that the Southern Ocean is connected to the Indian. We found out that the Southern Ocean is connected to the Pacific, the Indian, and the Arctic Ocean. And the Indian Ocean is connected to the Mediterranean with the Suez Canal.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deborah Juliana from Greece. During our research, the jobs that can be done in the ocean are lifeguard, marine technician,
Adebayo, and today, grade 5 and grade 2, the ISA project is Ocean Life, Fun Facts and Fantasy. During our research, we found out that there are 5 oceans of the world: the Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Southern. Now I'll hand over the mic to my colleague Darasini.
Hey everyone, my name is Darasini Soni, and I'm here to talk on the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is located at the west of North and South America, east of Asia and Australia. It's connected to the Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. Some of the living organisms in the Pacific Ocean are octopus, sea slug, sea turtle, giant squid, hammerhead shark, algae, and phytoplankton. Occupations associated with the Pacific Ocean are marine biology, oceanography, marine research, ocean engineering, and marine archaeology. I would like to highlight my onto Ayomiko.
My name is Adaya Omiko, and I'm here to talk about the Atlantic Ocean. Now, let's look at the location of the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is located between Africa, Europe, the Southern Ocean, the Americas, and the Arctic Ocean. Time to look at the connections of the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is bounded on the west by North and South America. It connects to the Arctic Ocean through the Denmark Strait, the Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, and the Barents Sea. Now, let's look at some of the living organisms that can be found in the Atlantic Ocean. Some of the living organisms in the Atlantic Ocean include sharks, catfish, stingrays, walruses, and so on. Some of the occupations associated with the Atlantic Ocean include aquaculture, marine biology, oceanography, naval architecture, fishing, and so on. Thank you. I would like to hand it over to the next speaker, Domino.
My name is Shogaja Akosne, and I'm speaking on the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is located between Africa, the Southern Ocean, Asia, and Australia. It is connected to the Mediterranean Sea through the Suez Canal. The living organisms in the Indian Ocean are 1. The blue whale, 2. The great white shark, 3. Dolphins, and 4. Seahorses. The following occupations are associated with the Indian Ocean, and they are 1. Marine biology, 2. Aquaculture, 3. Geology, so on and so forth. And I'm going to be handing my mic over to the next speaker, Hamsi Jubilee.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jubilee Hamsi, and I'll be speaking on the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is located in the Pacific Ocean, in the Bering Strait, and to the Atlantic Ocean through the Greenland and Labrador Seas. It is connected The Arctic Ocean is located in the Arctic polar region. and in the Arctic polar region in the northern hemisphere. It is connected to the Pacific Ocean through Bering Strait and to the Atlantic Ocean in the Greenland and Labrador Seas. Living organisms in the Arctic Ocean include walruses, seals, impals, scorpions, muskies, polar bears, and polar bears. Occupations in the Arctic Ocean include marine biology, photography, fishing, biology. Thank you. I'd like to hand the mic over to Emmanuel Adebayo Tomisi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Emmanuel Adebayo Tomisi, and today I'm going to be speaking on the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is located in the southern hemisphere, south of 60 degrees south latitude. It surrounds Antarctica. It is connected to the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Ocean. Living organisms in the Southern Ocean are penguins, blue whales, fossils, giant squids, and even the Arctic flora. Occupations associated with the Southern Ocean are marine biology, oceanography, marine research, and marine archaeology. Thank you.